In this tutorial, I'll show you how to report bugs in GitHub. This is useful for documenting problems and helping your team track and fix issues. First, open your web browser and go to github.com, then sign in to your account. From your dashboard, open the repository where you want to report the bug. Inside the repository, click Issues from the top menu. On the Issues page, click New Issue. Now, enter a clear and descriptive title for the bug. For example, you could use Login button not responding on mobile. In the description field, explain what happened, what you expected to happen, and the steps needed to reproduce the issue. You can also use the options on the right to assign the issue to a team member and add a bug label. Once you've added all the necessary information, click Create Issue. Your bug report will now be added to the repository, where your team can view it, discuss the problem, and work on a solution. That's how to report bugs in GitHub. Thanks for watching.